You're building an Obsidian vault completely wrong, and it's costing you hours of productivity every single day. I'm about to show you the advanced PKM setup that knowledge workers are using to transform their second brain into an unstoppable thinking machine. Most people open Obsidian and immediately start dumping notes everywhere. They create random files, throw in some double brackets, and wonder why their knowledge system feels like digital chaos. The problem isn't Obsidian, it's your foundation. You're building a house without blueprints, and today we're fixing that. Let's start with the Para method integration. Open your Obsidian settings and navigate to the Files and Links tab. Set your default location for new notes to a dedicated inbox folder. This becomes your capture zone where every new idea lands before proper organization. Create 4 main folders: projects for active work, areas for ongoing responsibilities, resources for future reference, and archive for completed items. This isn't just folder organization, this is cognitive architecture. Next, activate the core plugins that most people ignore. Go to Settings, then Core Plugins, and enable the Graph View, Backlinks, Outgoing Links, Tag Pane, and Templates. These aren't optional extras, they're the neural pathways of your knowledge system. The Graph View shows you connection patterns you never knew existed. Click on the Graph View icon in your left sidebar and watch your notes come alive as a visual network. Now let's talk about the Daily Notes setup that changes everything. In Core Plugins, enable Daily Notes and set your template. Create a template file called Daily Note Template with sections for tasks, reflections, and captured thoughts. Set your Daily Notes folder to a dedicated daily folder and choose your date format. Every morning, Obsidian automatically creates your thinking space for the day. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and we're just getting to the powerful stuff. Time for the plugin ecosystem that separates beginners from power users. Go to Settings, then Community Plugins, and browse the plugin library. Install DataView first. This transforms Obsidian into a personal database. With DataView, you can create dynamic lists that automatically update. Install the Templater plugin next. This adds programming logic to your templates. The Calendar plugin gives you visual navigation through your daily notes timeline. Here's where it gets seriously powerful. Install the Kanban plugin and create project boards directly inside your notes. Open a new note, type 3 backticks, then Kanban, then 3 more backticks. Suddenly you have a project management board embedded in your knowledge system. Add cards by typing task names and drag them between columns. Your projects and knowledge are now seamlessly integrated. The Advanced Tables plugin transforms how you handle data. Install it, then create tables by typing pipe symbols. The plugin adds formatting buttons and spreadsheet-like functionality. Combined with DataView queries, you can create dynamic project dashboards that update automatically as you add new notes. Canvas View is Obsidian's visual thinking space that most people never discover. Click the canvas icon or use Command-N to create a new canvas. Drag existing notes onto the canvas and arrange them spatially. Add text boxes, images, and draw connections between ideas. This is where breakthrough insights happen because you're thinking in space, not just linear text. Now let's build your tagging system properly. Don't use random tags, create a hierarchical structure. Use forward slashes to create tag categories like project/work/client name or area/health/fitness. In your tag pane, you'll see organized categories instead of tag chaos. Click on any tag to see all related notes instantly. The search function is your knowledge retrieval system when configured correctly. Use search operators like file, tag, and path to filter results. Search tag to project to find all project-related notes. Search file meeting to find all meeting notes. Combine operators with tag project file weekly for laser-focused results. Here's a pro tip that changes everything: create MOSIs, maps of content. These are index notes that link to related topics. Create a note called Programming MOSI and link to all your coding notes. Build MOSIs for every major area of interest. Your vault transforms from a collection of notes into a navigable knowledge landscape. Set up automated workflows with the Quick Add plugin. Create capture templates for different note types: meeting notes, book highlights, project plans. Assign hotkeys to each template. Press your hotkey, the template appears, you fill in the blanks, and it saves to the correct location with proper tags and links automatically. The Periodic Notes plugin extends daily notes into weekly, monthly, and yearly reviews. Set up templates for each time frame. Weekly notes track progress and plan ahead. Monthly notes identify patterns and celebrate wins. Yearly notes capture major themes and set direction. Your thinking becomes systematic and intentional. Create reference systems using the Zotero integration plugin if you research academic papers. Import citations directly into Obsidian with full metadata and PDF annotations. Your research and notes live in the same system, creating seamless knowledge workflows. Use the Workspaces plugin to save different sidebar and panel configurations. Create workspaces for writing, research, project planning, and daily review. Switch between complete interface setups with one click. Your environment adapts to your current thinking mode. Here's the secret sauce: link liberally but organize systematically. Every note should connect to at least 2 others. Use the Unlinked Mentions panel to discover hidden connections. When you see potential links in the suggestions, click to create them. Your vault becomes smarter with every connection. Set up regular vault maintenance with the Orphan Files plugin. Schedule weekly reviews to find isolated notes and integrate them into your system. Knowledge systems require gardening, not just planting. The real power emerges when everything integrates. Your daily notes capture thoughts that become project notes that link to resource notes that feed into area reviews. You're not just storing information, you're building intelligence. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. This setup takes time to implement, but once it's running, you'll wonder how you ever managed knowledge without it. Your thinking becomes amplified, your insights multiply, and your productivity transforms. Make sure you're subscribed because we're releasing advanced tutorials on each of these plugins individually, and you don't want to miss the deep dives that turn you into an Obsidian power user.